Here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 8A, and let me show you how to change PIN code on your SIM card on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select passwords and security. Here you should go to privacy right here, and then select Virgin Mobile or any other carrier you have. So just click on it, and here you'll be able to lock your SIM card. Just mark this indicator, and now your SIM card will be locked. Just enter your PIN code. In my case it's 1592. Tap on OK, and now you can smoothly change SIM PIN. Just click here, and now enter old SIM PIN, which is 1592, and now it's time for a new one. So let me enter 2580. Tap on OK, then you have to retype it just to confirm. And that's it. As you can see, SIM PIN changed successfully, so that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.